Hey Cam Fam!
Hello.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're at the Cokoro kitchen because we are
Experimenting.
mysterious. But before anything else, please make sure to
Like and subscribe Oh, this has been too long. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you always get notified when we have phone ringing.
So for today, we are going to try to bake a pizza.
From the scratch.
From scratch. I've never baked a pizza, even if it was the ready-made one or even with the ready-made dough or anything. I've never baked any form of pizza.
I have.
You have?
Frozen pizza, also from ready-made dough, and probably with Mama when I was younger from an actual scratch. But that was too long ago to remember, so let's see what we achieved today.
And also with the guidance of your mother. And now
Yeah, I didn't have anything to do with it except to eat.
Now we are left to our own devices. So, I've already found a recipe. We're trying to be adventurous here. We think we can do it because according to the recipe I found, it's like super duper easy. So I'm gonna put the link there of the recipe that I found for the dough. All you need is 2 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, but usually people recommend that you use bread flour, but we don't have that, and she said that all-purpose is gonna be okay naman. It's just less crispier. And then we also have 2 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, which we stole from
The mothership.
the mothership. And then we also have
Why do we incriminate each other like that?
we need to be transparent and honest to our audience. And then we also have the salt, sugar. Supposedly it's white sugar, but we don't have anything because we're super healthy here at home. So we only have cocoa sugar.
Moving on.
I think we have cocoa sugar.
I think this is brown sugar.
Oh, hindi namin sure. And then we have olive oil over here. And then we've got all our toppings over here, which we'll show you later on. Okay, so let's do this, Hubsies. It says we also need 3/4 cup of warm water stirred.
3/4 of cup.
3/4.
3 cups and 4.
No, 3/4. 3/4. Okay, right now, fam, we're already also preheating the oven. Dun dun! And the Hubsies is also warming up the water. Dun dun! I read the instructions and it says there you have to make sure it's just warm water and it's not hot water. It has to be just. Are you nervous, Hubsies?
Nervous of what?
Warm lang, Hubs, not hot.
Perfect.
Okay.
Exactly 42 degrees water.
Wow, 42 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
And then, so we mix them all into our mixing bowl.
Not water yet.
Not yet.
First, we mix the flour and the yeast because it's dry yeast.
O di alam mo naman pala, tumitingin pa ako ng recipe. Combine 1 cup daw first of flour, and then the instant yeast, and then 3/4 teaspoon salt. Actually, we have here mga measuring for teaspoon and stuff, but it's all erased already. So, we're not really sure. We only have Himalayan salt, and then she says that you can put dried basil at this point and garlic powder if you want more flavor. You really don't want to put rosemary.
No.
Okay, so we want a bland pizza crust. And then add olive oil and warm water. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, please.
Then slowly the water.
Yeah, super slow.
Yeah, so that I can keep mixing it when you keep pouring.
We've always been wanting to bake our own pizza, but we've always been too lazy to do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have to move into hand method soon.
She said not wooden spoon daw dapat, not that.
It's okay. Can do.
If this fails, it's because he doesn't want to listen to my suggestions.
A master baker in my past life. So this supervisor of ours, now when we have a completely dry dough here, which I've been massaging for the past 10 minutes, she remembers that she forgot the sugar. So paano na?
Can't we just add it in? I'm sure we can.
How does it go nicely in?
We'll just keep mixing Hubsies. 1 1/2 teaspoon sugar.
It's gonna be in one big pile, everything. It's not gonna mix anymore.
He's so pissed. You have to make this like this pa. I'll mix it. It's my fault anyways.
Be my guest. A bit more water.
Yeah, I think so too. We have to add a bit more water. Warm water though. Is that warm?
Room temp.
Just a little bit. Oh. It's not room temp, it's cold!
Sabotage.
Sabotage, really. Hard to do this, no? When you're a girl and you have nails.
I have nails as well.
Yeah, what I say?
Tinapong.
Okay, so this is the final look of our yeast.
Yeast.
And, I mean, our dough. Sorry, not perfect, sir.
Then we put it here under the cloth for a good while for it to bind.
The ones I've been seeing though, they use cling wrap. The hubsies just doesn't wanna follow. So.
Because this is beautiful marineko.
Okay.
And I know Mama always put like this, and they always balloon. So
It says allow the dough to rise for 30 minutes. It's supposed to double in size. And then while you wait, you're supposed to preheat your oven now for 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which we've already started because our oven takes a while to heat up. And then once you've reached that point and your dough has risen, then we can start doing the next part, which we'll show you. So we'll be back after this commercial break. Okay, so it's already been more than 30 minutes and our dough still has not risen. There's an explanation though. It's because we got old yeast, so we're not really sure if it's an active yeast. And yesterday I googled this test, so you'll know if it's like an active yeast or not. And it looked active, and then now it's failing us. So we'll still
or my
continue.
cold water is failing us.
Yeah, I told you because I put warm.
No, it's the yeast.
No, it's probably just water. Anyway, so I said that we'll just do this, hubsies. So if we fail, we fail. So now we put flour over a surface.
Use the clean surface.
Of course, it's always clean in the Cokoro house. You have a good homemaker. And that's when we spread the dough to make the pizza crust now.
Do you have the
Rolling pin, non-hubsies. We have low budget in this
I
production.
see.
But it also said in the tutorial that you can use your hands. Ah, okay. Okay.
Can I put it down?
Yeah, you need.
So you start pressing it like
Together.
It's way too thick.
Ooh, how ingenious. So he got a tumbler. That's so smart. I knew I married a smart man.
So you put the flour on the tumbler as well so it doesn't stick.
Wow! Can you guys see it? Yeah, you can. Quarantine has really affected not only my emotions and mental state, but also my brain capacity. Oh, look at those muscles. Hopsy, show your muscles. Yeah, really going down this side also. Yeah, beautiful. Can I try?
It's an abstract pizza.
No, because you're still gonna roll the edges.
We don't want the thick crust to this. We want the thin crust pizza.
Yes, but even the thin crust has the edges. So now we fold the edges like this.
Don't fold the edges. There's no point folding the edges.
Just a little bit so it's not naman a weird looking shape. Ah, you know it's thicker on this area. We should pull this up. And then do we just cut it so it's round? I want it to be cute. It has to be cute hops. So now we're gonna transfer to the pan. So we already put olive oil on the pan, and then what I read was you have to get a fork and just punch a few holes on your dough so that it doesn't get too poofy down when you put it in the oven. Did you know that, Hubs?
No.
Okay, so now this is no longer part of the tutorial. This is all us now because we're chefs. We're gonna put our tomato paste first, yes? Also have cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese.
Keep the cheese in the fridge until you're actually putting it on. Now it's all melted now. So it's...
Yeah, na-imagine nyo kung paano manermon si Yoni. Then we're putting salamis.
Cheese here was nice shredded cheese, good for this, but now it's a big chunk.
Okay lang, cheesier the better. What are you putting, mozzarella?
So
Ay.
that makes so much.
Ah, okay, I'm putting mozzarella pa.
Oy.
Because the cheesier the better, Hobbs. Just like our relationship. And then we also put garlic, because the wife loves garlic. And then we're putting fresh basil. And then we put our bell peppers.
Tomatoes
No, huwag na tomato. What do you think?
for prettiness.
Okay, I put it because it's for prettiness. And there you have it. And now it's off to the oven. Let's go. Best wishes. Godspeed. Okay, so we're gonna leave the pizza there for about 12 to 15 minutes, but we set the alarm to 10 minutes just in case so that we can come back and check on it. And hopefully our baby will come out beautiful. Okay, it's already 10 minutes. We're gonna check. Fingers crossed.
It looks good, very cheesy.
Oh my gosh, it actually looks like a pizza. Oh my gosh.
Not long anymore.
Yeah, I
it's
think
pretty
2
awesome.
minutes it's already.
A bit more color.
Well, look at that.
So orders
So from now on, you call us not just Camille or Yoni, it's Chef Camille.
and Sous Chef Yoni.
That's right.
How many slices, ma'am?
I don't know. Just slice
Oh, yeah.
it.
Nice and crispy.
Yeah, that's what we want. Thin crust. Ooh, beautiful.
Are you taking my pizza, ma'am?
I'm serving it to you because we are a 5-star restaurant, sir. Here you go, sir. Enjoy.
Looks nice, but the look is not everything.
Yup.
Dun, dun. Dun, dun.
Oh my gosh, so good.
Is it?
Super.
Should we start selling?
It tastes legit.
Why are you so surprised? Chef. Ben, how's the smell?
Ooh, Hopsis, do we have hot sauce?
Yeah, I think so.
And chili flakes, please. Chop chop. So that's it for our pizza making vlog. For a moment there, I really thought we were gonna fail because of the yeast and everything. We made do with what we have here at home. So yeah, making the most of this quarantine life. Never thought we'd be able to pull this off, but we did it.
Why? Why you thought so?
I lack confidence.
Oh no, you have to build up your confidence.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and leave me a comment below.
Bis hier.
Bye, Kam Pam.